Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hi, how are you? My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s, and if you've never been here before, then welcome. I'm so glad that you're here now. And if you've never been here before, I hope that you will consider subscribing to the channel before you leave today. And in today's video, I have my BoxyCharm, and I know that this is my premium because I've already unboxed my regular base box. So if you want to see what I got this month, because I know I want to see what I got this month, then sit on back, relax, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, let's hop into it. If you don't know anything about BoxyCharm, they are a subscription box service that comes to you once a month. They have a few tiers. Basically, they have their base box for $25 a month, and that comes with 5 full-size items. That is guaranteed to be over $125 worth of value. Then they have their premium box. BoxyCharm Premium is their next level up. You get 6 full-size products for $35 investment, and it's guaranteed to have a value of $175. Then they do have a Luxe product, and that is a quarterly upgrade to your base box for $50. I currently subscribe to the base box and the premium box. So this is my premium box, and we're going to do our unboxing of that right now. Let's get into the box. This is what the premium box looks like on the inside. It's blue, and it does say premium right there on the lid. So what did I get this month? Well, let's have a look. I got the card that says BoxyCharm Fresh Start. That's this month's theme. And my variation number is C210-1206-PM. And what I got, okie dokie. Well, the first thing I got is I did choose the Fenty Beauty for my choice item, the Pro Filter Powder in Lavender. I do like the Lavender Powder by Fenty Beauty, and I already have one, so I'm not going to open up this one. The one that I have looks like this, and guys, if you get this in your box, don't forget to open up and grab this little filter out right here. There's a top that you put on top of your powder, and this keeps it sealed nice so that your powder isn't just loose sitting in there. So be sure to grab that out of the box. Let me see, maybe I should open this and show you where it's at. So that little doodad is sitting, whenever you open up your box, it is going to be sitting right here. It comes in the box right here, so don't forget to grab that out, or else you'll just throw it away. Then I also got, oh cool, I really did want this. This is the Fenty Beauty Mascara, Full Frontal Mascara. I have never tried this, and I have wanted this mascara. So this is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara in the shade Cause I'm Black. So that's what it looks like. So really excited to have that, to try that out. Yeah, I never tried that, and I love getting higher end mascaras in the boxes because I really don't like paying for high end mascaras. So that's what that looks like. So I'll let you know how that's working out for me as soon as I have a chance to use it. Yeah, I'm excited about that. Then we got the PMD Silver Pure silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth, and I am excited to have this because whenever you put silver ions into a piece of material, then those silver ions do kill the bacteria, and I really love the shape of this. It reminds me of the vintage makeup cloths that from the Vintage Cosmetics company that I love. I love the shape of these. I don't like the shape of the makeup erasers, but I love the shape of the square shapes that's just like a washcloth. So I'm really excited to have these. Like whenever you go camping or hiking, you really need to wear underwear. If you're going to be out in the woods or, you know, in the outback for days at a time, you need to wear, you know, underwear or bras, panties, that type of thing, with silver ions, so that, you know, you don't have to worry about taking a bath or washing your undies, because, you know, the silver ions are going to kill all that bacteria. So, you know, that's why it's laced with the silver ions. So, really happy about that. Then the next product that I got was the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Very excited to have this because mine, I am down to, you know, this amount right here. So, you know, mine is really far down. I use this a lot in the wintertime. It has a cooling effect to it. Like maybe there's maybe some menthol in there, some type of either tea tree oil, something along that line. I don't know exactly what is in there, but it's really, really thick. Very hydrating, very moisturizing, thick cream. And I love using this when I travel as a rehydrating mask. It's just really, really good for deep hydrating of your skin. And my skin is very, very dry. So I do love this product. Very happy to get this in the box. I did purchase my first tube from Sephora. Very, very good, stellar product. It does have a menthol type oil, so if you are allergic or very, very sensitive to menthol, just be aware that this product may not be right for you. But as long as you can use menthol, it's very, very nice. It's good for stiff muscles as well as hydrating. So yeah, if you have a bad back, you have muscle issues, this is another thing that I use this for on my back. So just something to keep in mind. Very, very good product. Happy to have that. Good job, BoxyCharm. Then we got the Ofra palette. Yes, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. Very, very happy with this product. This reminds me a lot of sort of the Samantha March collab, where it had the Star Island and, you know, the pink, and she had 2 pieces of Star Island and 2 pieces of something else. And I can't remember what the other one was right off the top of my head, but I've got that. But this has Star Island. So half of it is the Samantha March collab with Star Island, and it doesn't say on here what it is. So it didn't do me any good to pull it out. But yes, this half is the Samantha March collab of Star Island and whatever the pink one is. So Star Island and I don't even know. But yes, so half of it is the Samantha March collab, and the other half, don't know. But it reminds me a lot and will go great with what I got in my mystery bag from Ofra, because this one is Blissful right here. So it's got the Samantha March collab over here. It's got Blissful and maybe Rodeo Drive, I'm not sure. But the two together is going to make really good face palette. So I'm so happy to have this one. Just ecstatic. So that's giving me quite a bit of Ofra products. So I'm just so thankful to have this. And just quite a happy girl with these products. So yes, thank you so much, BoxyCharm. So happy about that. And I really love these little palettes from Ofra. I love the face palettes. I love the blush in here. It's just absolutely wonderful. Yeah, I'm just really liking, especially the blush in this one. It's just so good. Yeah, just really loving that. So yeah, I am over the moon with this one. So couldn't be happier. It's really good. And then, you know, just to have, you know, a whole half of a pan of the Samantha March collab, if you didn't get your hands on that, you know, it's just right here for you. So, you know, that is such a beautiful highlight. So very tickled to have that. So yeah, then I really wanted this product, and I am just absolutely just thrilled that I got it. This is the Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. I am an oil cleanser just fanatic, and I cannot believe I got this. And I want to see what this is like, because I have never used this, but I love Ren skincare. I love it. And I wanted this so bad. Oh, yes. Oh, this is going to be so good. Okay, so it just comes out like, let me just show you. It just comes out like this. And it's in a tube. So that's absolutely wonderful, because most jelly cleansers, you have to, you know, scoop down in and get it, but not this one. It just comes out of, you squeeze it, which, how convenient is that? So absolutely wonderful. I'm so excited to have this. I was so scared that I wasn't going to get this, so you know I had to buy it in pop-up. So yeah, and I am not sorry that I did, because now I will have one in backup, and I'm just over the moon about it. So yes, so excited that I got this in my box. So this is another great box from BoxyCharm, and my box then comes to $205 for my $35 investment. And it's all products that I will definitely use, and I'm even excited to use these. So this month, wow. Fresh Start Boxy, I hope that this is the year that is to come with BoxyCharm. Keep it coming. Boxy, you are on a roll. You are doing fantastic. You are knocking it out of the park. I am so excited. And let me tell you, for my look today, what am I wearing? Let me show you this look. If you are wanting to know what is on my eyes, guys, let me tell you, I dipped into the bubblegum and the cotton candy Sweet Shop palettes. Guys, these are really good. Oh my goodness, I am loving these palettes. They are so sweet. Shop. I didn't even try. I did not even try. That just came natural. But they are so good. Guys, let me tell you, are these earrings cute? Do you like them? Let me tell you, my friend Sheila over at the Bling Bling Diva, guys, if you want some cute earrings for $5 a pair, guys, let me tell you, my girlfriend Sheila over at the Bling Bling Diva, she will hook you up. Guys, these are really well made. I am just stunned. I am really stunned. These are by Premier. No, they're not. They are by Paparazzi. They are by Paparazzi. And I am just really, really stunned. These are really, really nice earrings. And so I have another pair from her that these are $5. And, you know, I'm in awe. These are the backs, just so you can see what they look like all around. And they're $5, and she shipped them right away to me. They're just really, really pretty. So I can't wait to wear these. So if you are on the prowl for some earrings, go check out my friend Sheila over at The Bling Bling Diva, and she'll hook you up. So yeah, I just wanted to give her a shout out because I'm really loving these earrings, and they are bling blinging. So Mama got her some. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you enjoyed my unboxing, and I will see you again in my next video. Let me know down in the comments below, did you get the same premium box that I did? What did you get in your box? Are you liking it? What was your favorite product from my box? I can definitely say that, oh, well, there was just so many good things in my box. I really don't know. I want to say that I was the most excited when I saw this in my box. I was definitely most excited to see this because I wasn't sure that this would be there. Is this my favorite product? I don't know because I haven't used it. This was what I was most excited whenever I took the little sneaky peek and I saw. I was like, oh, yeah, that's what I want. But is this the product that I like the most? I don't know because I haven't used it yet. But more to come on that. I will let you know how I'm liking this. So yeah, let me know. Let me know what product you're liking best in your box. You know I'm nosy. Okay, love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Smooches. Until next time. Bye for now.